as you can see, I am doing a voiceover this time. I'm pretty sure I was talking about something while I was recording the video, so I just muted the whole thing. But as you see here, I am doing the part 2 of my bumper. I did fiberglass it in the last video. If you didn't see part 1, go check that out. That was my first time fiberglassing. So with that being said, now I'm looking back on the video as it's playing. I'm just thinking of so many things I could have done better. Of course, y'all see me stirring the Bondo with the damn screwdriver. But as far as the laying the fiberglass, I probably should have took you're gonna see later in the video, but the sander and gone over it so that when I laid the Bondo, it would have been a smoother surface. I didn't really think about it until now that I'm watching the video again. I think I recorded this like last year anyway. So I'm like learning after the fact what I was supposed to do. But right here, as you see, of course, you got to mix it up with the hardener. I didn't spilled it, but you mix it up with the hardener. And then once you get it to like, I don't know, it was supposed to be like a pinkish color, kind of, just a little bit. Once you mix it, I want to say, I can't remember, but y'all see what color it is when I'm finished. And then you lay it on there and then let it harden. And so since I've never done that either, I just mixed a little bit at a time until I felt it was right after watching a couple of videos. And then I went ahead and just laid that on there. I will say though, I was pretty impressed considering I've never done this before other than watching videos. And I'm proud of how it turned out. I'm pretty sure someone's watching this video like, what the hell are you doing? But for me to never done this, I'm still proud because it's smooth. So for the most part, I know I did end up ending this video and it was partially done. I'll probably upload the extra pictures on Instagram where I finished it because like I said, I recorded this last year and I've made improvements to it since then. So I might make another video for that before I paint it and stuff, or you'll see it when I do a painting video. But for the most part, yeah, you just want to lay that on there smooth, flat. I know mine's look kind of janky, but it's on there. And yeah, I just kept mixing part by part, little by little, and kept going. So
Oh,